Guys, today I'm going to be playing microwave dinner again, but I am going to be playing with my friend Callan. I don't know if Felix is there. He probably is there, but if he is, yes, he's here. He's there. Do you want to ask him if he wants to play microwave dinner? Sorry guys, just give them a second. It's gonna be real quick. It won't take a while. Hopefully it might. I don't know them. While I wait, I will go back to the lighthouse where we started off. Where we ended off from last time. So, is he gonna be playing?
I think so.
It'll tell me once you join, okay? Until that, I'm going to be inside of the lighthouse.
Okay, he's in.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be waiting until you come in. Microwave dinner! Oh, I see some microwave dinner up there. Timmy is an average kid, but no one understands. Okay, guys. We Timmy is an average kid.
Yo, it's Kennedy. Can we have a minute? Happy and me, we record every video.
Oh, so are you gonna use your microphone?
No.
Oh, wait, sorry guys. Okay, I'm back. If you see the video cut off for a second, it's just because me and my friend are gonna be talking, and it's nothing to do with you guys. Oh, I might make it to the top before you.
What do we do?
You watched the anime. Wait. Hey guys, I'm back. I did call off because my friend wouldn't stop. Since my friend distracted me, but it's fine, I think. Hopefully.
So let's go.
I lost almost all of my progress.
Sparkling on the way, but the higher that they climbed, the tower began to sway. You want to interest in the Port 4? You met the best farmer on this island. That's I am.
Okay, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm back. Oh my.
I'm gonna go play on VR.
So you're leaving?
Maybe.
And I was almost done too with this. Dang. Well, guys, we got a microwave dinner.
Oh, is that what these chicken legs are?
No. One second. I'm gonna come to you. Okay, guys, 1 second. Ow. Oh, ow. Huh.
Yeah.
I'm coming to you, Callan. You don't know what to do.
This game is
I had to figure it out all on my own. Okay. So where are you?
I'm not at the hotel.
Oh, you're at the hotel.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Bouncing off of walls.
Yeah, you can wall jump.
Yeah. So am I just a mom who doesn't know how to play, or is the game boring?
You just don't know how to play it. Okay. How much chicken do you have?
40 chicken.
Get 10 more. You need 10 more. Actually, you need 20 more. You need 20 more.
Oh!
What?
I don't know, these things at the water are really cool. I get to bounce on them.
Yeah, you can bounce on every wall.
No, these floaties in the water.
Yeah. So, how much chicken do you have now?
Yes.
What do you mean, yes, Callum? Hey guys, look, I found this thing called a junk bot. I mean, it doesn't look like regular junk bots, but okay. Anyways, I'm a junk bot. I make sorts of stuff made from junk and scrap, so if you're looking for some upgrades, you can come to the right place. If you screwed up 3 scrap, I can give you a movement upgrade. I'll allow you to go fast with your tires on fire. So if you get those 3 scraps, I can help you out. If you're anything you need. How do I do this?
That's what I thought.
How do I get scraps?
Yeah, I read that and then I was like, what?
Let me see. That's weird. Oh, I can go inside a ship. Whoop, whoop, doo, doo, doo. Paint trade
Where's the ship?
code. Wait a minute. Terrarium. That's weird.
I'm on a house.
Yeah. How much is this?
I just hit like a jackpot. I climbed up onto this chimney and got 10 chicken.
ATM. Oh. Can I afford it right now? Nope. Okay. How do I get star points? You know what? Whatever. There is definitely a secret. No? Well, if you want my help, get more chicken. I can tell you a secret on how to get more chicken. Or do you not want me to?
Huh?
I can give you a tip on how to get more chicken.
Alright. How do I get more chicken?
So there is crates around the map. Some of them have chicken. And there's sometimes some chicken on the roofs. And well, you can get those and
Oh!
sometimes they.
Oh no, I'm hanging.
Well, I unlocked the hotel. Time to do some hotel work. Let's do this. Oh, I can be the janitor. Ow. We're hungry. Good little robots. I got a huge favor to ask. You see, our janitor just quit. Please take the job. I'm begging you. Our hotel has a problem. These black puddles keep appearing out of everywhere. If you can clean them all up, I'll give you something you like. There should be something in the janitor's closet that you can use to clean. Come and speak to me again once you're ready. I'll check your promise. Have fun. Okay, janitors.
The game's fun.
Yeah, see, there's other things you can do.
Yeah, Felix, you didn't just play enough. Oh my gosh.
But you need 250 to get in here. Whoa, this is really cool. I can just hit it around. Woo. It's like, what do you call it now? Oh, make it trick shot. Oh, I got it. Trick shot. Trick shot. Now all I need to do is look for black spots around the map. Do not disturb, do not disturb. More do not disturb. This is gonna be
I know I wanted to play, but I forgot.
I'm just gonna peel. Soap over there. Give me this. I got a key now. But I'm gonna use to unlock a door. Because I like unlocking doors. Unlock.
I suck.
Like to be a dream. But it's not, 'cause life sucks. We are dancing. Now the surface is very slippery. I'm gonna turn this up. Trick shot. Now I have another blue key that I am going to use. I don't know where, but I'm gonna use. There's definitely a secret right there.
Man, why can't I blocks fruits this?
What do you mean?
Why can't I just jump on water?
Because we're a microwave. We will literally die.
Yeah, you got a point.
See?
Oh. Ah!
I fit in perfectly. Ow.
I'm climbing the suspicious looking towers. Just like Jack and Tom did.
Why?
I don't know. I gave up.
Oh. Come
Oh, how did that work? Oh, I see chicken up here.
I'm a doodle. I'm a roasting down my death. Ow.
Oh, I'm becoming rich.
Yeah,
I'm
so
about to
you have
get
60.
100
So you have $60 now?
dollars.
I mean, chicken.
I have 91.
No. And I can't route. I'm gonna murder myself.
Yo!
This is so annoying. I can't get past it, and it's getting on my nerves. I'm a little box. I'm a microwave in a microwave world. Microwaving, and it's microwave. Give me this. So I have. There is no soap in here. I'm gonna murder. I'm so mad. Once I get a boss fight, I am going to absolutely annihilate him. Aha, but you see. Nope. Okay. What? No.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay. I might hang up because I am recording.
Yeah.
Okay. Well. Oh, sorry guys. I was on Discord. Okay. I'm a little microwave in a micro world. It's a microwave. It's a microwave, and I like to wave. It's that I am a microwave. And if I go missing, you don't know where to find me. Because I am. No, it. Ah. Stop it. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Bam. Just play Pokey with it. Pokey. Bonk. Yeah. Bonk. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm making banks off of this, guys. Bam! Skladoosh! I'm just gonna wha-boom! Ow. This is probably gonna be a long video. And if it is, guys, remember, like and subscribe. Yeah, but guys, it would be nice if you could like and subscribe. Thanks. And remember to hit that bell to always be notified when I'm here. Or when I leave, or come back, or like post a video, or whatever. You know, I think. This is a big building. How am I gonna make this work? I'm a little microwave. Little bit of light with a wave. Please don't run away. Please don't pump off, or else I will be sad. Or else I would be. Boom, boom. Yes, be very, very quiet. I'm rabbit hunting. Oh, wait a minute. Heck yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's why they have the rotate button. So I can just go meh. No, I get no meh. No. Meh. Meh. Jump to burst. Bam. Oh. I'll be back for you, soap. Drop. So I can crouch. Then I can pick it up. I would roll down, but I'm not. Oh, it's an yeah. I'm smart. Kinda. Final key, and then I'm gonna be on a cleaning spree. Oh, my ear kind of hurts. So, guys, this has been a good rodeo. I might end this video off here. After I'm done, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope y'all have. Because I don't know why. I am a little bit tired. That might be it. But let me just scratch. Actually, no. Bing bong. Boing boing boing. Boing boing boing. Boing boing boing. Boing boing. Oh, come on. Get out. Oh, so close. Boing. Ah, right out. Nah. After this, I'm gonna drop the zone down. Oh. I am so sorry that was there. Yep, give me that. Okay, time to play some Pong. or whatever they're calling it. Boing. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go! Haha! This is nice. Hey, if you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Not forcing or anything, only like and subscribe. Only if you're enjoying the video. Or else I am gonna have to have a serious talk with you. Okay. Drop. It's just another man, it's gay day. Oh, what you want something? Cause that's my fun day. Oh, wow. One day, it's just another man, it's Monday. Crap, guys. Where's the vent? Was it down here, actually? No, it wasn't. Then where is it? Maybe the third floor. Maybe? No, it would be like... You guys, woo, 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 woo. Ow. Wee, yup. Mark. Wee, wee. Oh, it was right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Boing, boing. Just boing over that. Then let's do this. Cause that's my fun day. Don't. Yes. Boom, boom, hover. Come on. I'll get back with you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, sorry. I finished it. I forgot I wasn't recording. Yep. Let's see. Yeah. Please be it. Yeah. I got. You got a microwave dinner. I'm gonna see if I can upgrade. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, I might do. So I'm probably gonna do the first world in a day or two. Might be later than that since I love letting you guys. I love 6. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna end off this video here. Hope everybody who's watching this has a magical day and subscribe.